In the heart of southern Europe lies a country filled with history, beauty, passion, and timeless culture, Italy. A land where ancient cities, breathtaking coastlines, rolling countryside, and world-famous architecture come together to create unforgettable experiences. From quiet villages to vibrant streets, every corner of Italy tells a story shaped by centuries of history and tradition. Italy's cities are alive with art, culture, and energy. In Rome, ancient ruins stand beside modern life, reminding the world of one of history's greatest civilizations. Historic streets, grand fountains, and beautiful piazzas create an atmosphere unlike anywhere else. In Venice, canals replace roads as boats glide slowly through one of the most unique cities on Earth. Meanwhile, cities like Florence and Milan showcase Italy's connection to art, fashion, and creativity. Every city carries its own identity, yet all share the same timeless charm. Italian culture is built around passion, family, food, and enjoying life slowly. People gather in cafes, walk through lively streets, and spend hours sharing meals and conversations. Fresh pasta, pizza, coffee, and traditional cuisine are more than food in Italy. They are part of everyday life and culture. Music fills public squares, while historic buildings create beautiful scenery around every corner. Across the country, there is a deep appreciation for beauty, tradition, and simple moments. Beyond the cities, Italy reveals peaceful landscapes filled with natural beauty. Rolling hills stretch across the countryside, while vineyards and olive groves create postcard-perfect scenery. Small villages sit quietly on hilltops, surrounded by green valleys and golden sunlight. In regions like Tuscany, every road feels cinematic. The countryside moves at a slower pace, offering calmness and breathtaking views in every direction. Italy is also home to some of Europe's most stunning coastlines. Colorful seaside towns overlook crystal-clear water, while boats drift across peaceful harbors. The Amalfi Coast, with its dramatic cliffs and Mediterranean views, feels almost unreal. Sea and waves move gently against the shore. Italy reveals another side of its beauty, peaceful, romantic, and unforgettable. In the north, the Italian Alps rise above lakes and valleys, creating dramatic natural landscapes. Snow-covered mountains, scenic roads, and quiet lakes add another layer to Italy's beauty. Traveling through the country by train or road reveals endless changing scenery, from ancient towns and vineyards to coastal villages and mountain peaks. Every journey becomes part of the experience. Italy is often described as an open-air museum. Ancient ruins, cathedrals, castles, and historic landmarks preserve thousands of years of history. From the Colosseum in Rome to Renaissance architecture in Florence, the country continues to inspire the world through art and design. Few places combine history and beauty as naturally as Italy. Despite its deep connection to tradition, Italy remains modern, stylish, and globally influential. Fashion, luxury, design, sports cars, and cuisine continue to shape global culture. Yet even with modern progress, Italy never loses its connection to its roots and heritage. As this journey through Italy comes to an end, one thing becomes clear. Italy is more than a destination. It is a feeling, a place where history lives in every street, where beauty surrounds every landscape, and where life is meant to be enjoyed slowly. From ancient cities and peaceful countryside to breathtaking coastlines and unforgettable culture, Italy leaves behind memories that last forever. This is Italy, timeless, passionate, and truly unforgettable.